of retaining walls. So you sometimes you may feel that sorry, this writing we are not able to understand. Sorry, because if you found any difficulty, you can ask me, you can call me, I will explain it. Okay, so now let me proceed now. Gravity wall. See, whenever you see in world in many times in the beginning, so when engineering is not in a what I say not fully developed the way we are seeing the engineering today, people civil engineers are used to construct retaining walls like this. Like this, they use it to construct. That means what they believe that if you construct a heavy wall, heavy means that means heavy means here you see its weight is more, gravity is more. That means they believe that if you want to resist this active force coming from the neighboring soil, so what they believe actually, so construct a big wall in the sense large, whose wall. So where if you increase the gravity, so wall is stable. That is the basic idea of the civil engineers in the beginning. Now, as of now, in the early days, we used to construct gravity dams. So dams also I can use because dam is a water retaining structure, retaining wall is an earth retaining structure. The purpose, you see, the intention is same. Where we are restoring the, where we are reserving the water, where we are retaining the water in dam. In the same way, if retaining wall is an earth retaining structure, dam is a water retaining structure. Where you see, we need to construct whose gravity walls. That means with stone masonry. So we use it to construct, or maybe you may use stone masonry or random rubble, whatever I say, plain cement concrete you can use. So now this is about gravity wall. But the limitation of these walls, you can construct up to 2 to 3 meters. So it's very difficult to construct a wall beyond 2 to 3 meters. That's why people thinking about, so why not I introduce some reinforcement in this wall. Then the semi-gravity retaining walls are in picture. So I will wipe this, you don't worry. So now you can see now, people thought about reducing the weight of the wall. So now we can reduce the weight of the wall. So that means we can have a sleek walls. So we can reduce the wall, but we need to provide reinforcement still. So we need to, this is semi-gravity. Now you see, now in the present days, we have a retaining wall like this, you see. You can see this is the stem of the wall, and we can see base slab. Now we are providing reinforcement, you can see here. We are providing reinforcement, this is distribution steel in the base slab, and we have main reinforcement. So, and also this is the reinforcement which is in connection with the base slab. This component is called base slab. This is called stem. So all together we call it, looks like a cantilever. So cantilever, that means we are providing sufficient reinforcement, okay, in stem and as well as base slab. So now this wall is to be designed to resist active force. So now this side in front we also backfilling passive force. So now this is a present, what I say, the ongoing retaining walls. Now the day by day, as we engineers, so we want to increase the height of the wall. So here you see in semi-gravity walls, there also can be limited to 3 meters like that. So if you want to go beyond 3, 4, 5, 6 meters, you can go cantilever retaining wall. One can go cantilever. If you want to increase the height of the wall further, so if you want to increase, go beyond 7, 8 meters like that, 10 meters, we need to provide counterforts. This is the retaining wall. What we are seeing is, this is the retaining wall in 3D. So now we have to provide additional counterforts, those connecting this base slab and stem. Here you can see, and but the thing is, many times students are asking this question, sir, what about counterfort? Counterforts are the additional members, those connecting base slab and stem. Stem means this vertical portion, base slab means horizontal portion. So these are rigidly connecting. So actually these counterforts are not visible, That means if you are at outside, because man is standing in front of the wall, so now you cannot see what is at the back of the wall. So that's why many times counterforts are hidden, because counterforts are constructed on the backfill surface. Sometimes now engineers are constructing counterforts. Here you see in the front face. This is front face, this is backfill. Okay. Now they are called buttress walls. So the objective of constructing these counterforts or buttresses are in order to reduce the additional bending moments and shear force. Additional bending moment, and we can increase the height of the wall. Anyhow,